Hello everyone, today I want to create a handbag using vinyl leather. I hope this tutorial can help you to make a handbag. If you have any question about this tutorial, just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Arden Studio, if you like to get more videos about bags making. Thank you and happy crafting! Step 1. Material preparation. Prepare all the materials you need to create this handbag. In this tutorial, we use vinyl leather as the outer and thin polyester fabric as the inner material. Please comment if you need the pattern. These are the accessories that I use for making the handbag. Step 2. Making the strap. Apply glue to this area. Then fold the vinyl leather like this. Hold it using clipping pins. Then arrange the strap like this. Sew along this area. Fold the center of the leather and sew along about 8 cm. This is the result. Step 3. Making the inner body. Prepare the polyester fabric for the inner and the zipper. Sew the vinyl leather almost at the end of the zipper. Create a strap using vinyl leather and metal hook. Fold the vinyl leather like this. Sew along this area. Sew the zipper to the polyester fabric. And this is the result. Do it for both sides. Now, we have the inner body finished. Step 4. Making the outer body. Take the vinyl leather for the outer, then sew it with the zipper like this. Don't forget to fold the vinyl leather first to get a nice look. Do it for both sides. Sew along this area. Then sew the end zipper like this. This is the result. Step 5. Making the gusset. Prepare the vinyl leather and polyester fabric for the gusset. Sew along this area. Do it for the bottom part too. Step 6. Sewing all parts together. Put the gusset to the body like this. Then sew along this area. Don't forget to add strap on the center of the bag. Then, put the bottom to the body like this. Sew along this area. Take the strap that we created before and put it at the end of the zipper like this. Sew along this area. Step 7. Finishing. For the finishing, we need to sew the bias tape to make a nice look for the inside bag. Put the bias tape along the bag seams like this. Use clipping pins for help. Then, the bias tape to the bag. Now, the handbag is ready. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.